The last couple of days we've been working on this lovely Chevy El Camino, what we've been doing, enhancement package. The mainly thing was different between new car and old car was all about preservation. So we did take the decontamination very seriously, and after that we did completely two-stage polishing and ceramic coating as a preservation this car. So we preserve it, seal it with the glass, with the seats, trims, the chrome being polished. So we done how much we can to preserve it. This lovely vehicle is 50 years old, but I'm sure the client will be very, very happy. Thank you.